Stabbed to death, struggling to take a breath. All you're begging does is force another strike into your chest. Don't worry about your body, I'll be eating it after you are dead. Boil water on my stove and it goes in your fucking head. After about an hour now your face is ready, what a mess. Look into your eyes, still seeing all your pain and stress. Trying to dig in, using my hand to fit it in your mouth. Pull apart your fucking jaw and see what comes pouring out. Like a water spout, your fluids are leaking everywhere. Now I'm fucking mad again, cause you got blood in my hair. Yelling at your fucking corpse while stabbing it a little more. Why aren't you fucking talking to me? Just laying there on the floor. Almost forgot your head was cooked in that pot. Hold it out, burn my head cause your fucking meat is hot. Yelling like a madman, nobody knows like cops. Even if they did, I guarantee I would not be caught. Can I be stopped? I fucking love this too much. These all these morbid thoughts, cause my brain's bugging and such. And so fuck showing love. The only love that I'll give is when I'm fucking your slick neck, pushing into your esophagus, no stopping this. I'm worse than any horror flick. You think that you're the shit? Watch how fast I'll make you flip. Catching your hips while you spit blood out your lips. I got no love for your bitch. You get cut up and slip. Your fucking body stunk bad, like I used to the smell. Ah, you prayed when I killed you, and I took you to hell. Decapitate your body parts and sit on my shelf. I'm just a lunatic that has to talk to